Please turn off your cell phones or put it into silent mode so as not to interrupt events during the ceremony.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to the joint anniversary celebration for 2nd Marine Brigade, Marine Battalion Landing Team 1 and Marine Battalion Landing Team 9. On behalf of the Commander, 2nd Marine Brigade, it is our distinct pleasure having all of you with us this afternoon.
Amen. O Lord our God, you are addressed us to honor all love by our Muslim brothers and sisters.
Please be seated. At this point, the Deputy Commander
Primero Cruz of the Task Force Commander of Task Force. Police Chief Superintendent Abraham Utica of the province of Sulu. We have representative of Congresswoman of the 2nd District, Mr. Abdul Basar Abdullah, Provincial Director of Marina, Sulu. Thank you for coming. The representative of Governor Honorable Apromir Izquierdo, Board Member, 1st District. Honorable Ismol Suhuri, Board Member, 1st District. A representative of the Mayor of Oman, Push Sherhan Hussein, Municipal Administrator. Salamat po. Miss Marcia Ali, the President of Matao Kasi. And Miss Usmain Abduraj of the Center for Fire Department. And we have other officers and friends are here, and thank you for coming. The second
Troops Delta, Unmanned Aerial System, under Joint Special Operations Task Force Philippines. On behalf of the Cross-Functional Troops Delta, Unmanned Aerial System, Lieutenant Vincent Alvarado, United States Navy will receive the Certificate of Appreciation.
Meritorious and valuable achievements rendered while serving as members of various capacities of the Field Artillery Battalion, Combat Service Support Brigade during the execution of Oakland Payback. Lieutenant Colonel Narcisa and his troops provided precise and perfectly synchronized artillery fire support to the operating troops, screened enemy reinforcement, and pounded enemy consolidations. The artillery fire mission demoralized the enemy that resulted to their immediate withdrawal and
Operations Team
evacuation.
8132, Captain Damon Doicos, United States Marine Corps, will receive the Certificate of Appreciation.
Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Lieutenant Vincent Alvarado. Same flag of appreciation is given to Honorable Abdusakur M. Tan, Vice Governor of Sulu. On behalf of Vice Governor Tan, Honorable Ismon Latif H. Suhuri, Board Member of 1st District, will receive the flag of appreciation. Thank you, sir. May we request everyone to rise.
That concludes this evening's ceremony. On behalf of the Commander, 2nd Marine Brigade, Brigadier General Martin N. Pinto, Armed Forces of the Philippines, we would like to express our heartfelt appreciation for spending time with us during this momentous occasion. Likewise, everybody is invited to partake of a prepared dinner. Thank you and good evening to all.